Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get split audio for OBS browser sound alerts on Twitch. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Before you proceed with any settings, make sure you have Twitch open in your web browser. This is crucial because OBS needs to detect the browser window that's running your Twitch alerts, so keep that tab active and ready. Once OBS is running, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see your sources panel. This is where you'll add the specific audio capture that allows you to separate your Twitch alert sounds from everything else. Click the plus icon to add a new source, and from the menu that appears, select Application Audio Capture Beta. This feature is specifically designed to capture audio from individual applications, which is exactly what you need for isolating your Twitch alert sounds. After selecting it, click OK to proceed. A Properties window will now appear on your screen. At the top of this window, you'll see a section labeled Window. Next to it, there's a drop-down menu that lists all the applications currently running on your system. Click on this drop-down menu and carefully select your browser, specifically the one that's running your Twitch alerts. This tells OBS to capture only the audio coming from that particular browser window and nothing else. Once you've selected the correct browser, click OK to confirm. At this point, OBS will now capture only that browser's audio, completely separate from your other audio sources like your microphone or desktop audio. This separation is what allows you to control the Twitch alert volume independently and gives you much more flexibility with your stream audio management. Now, navigate to your audio mixer section, which is typically located in the center or right side of your OBS interface. In the audio mixer, you'll notice several audio sources listed. Look below these sources and click the gear icon. This small but important button opens up the advanced audio properties, where you can fine-tune how each audio source behaves in your stream. In the Advanced Audio Properties window, look for Application Audio Capture Beta, or whatever name you gave your source. Scan across to the right side of that row until you find the Audio Monitoring column. Click the drop-down menu under Audio Monitoring for your Application Audio Capture source. From the options that appear, select Monitor and Output. This setting is essential because it allows you to hear the alerts through your own headphones or speakers, while also sending them to your stream output. Finally, click Close in the bottom right corner to save all your changes. And there you have it, you've successfully set up split audio for your OBS browser sound alerts on Twitch, giving you complete control over your alert sounds independently from your other audio sources. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.